Hey everyone, how's it going? We're now on version 0.4. I've already made videos for 0.1 and 0.2 version 0.3 was just some adjustments to run well on Windows. And now we're on version 0.4, where I implemented the send all feature. So, this here is today's lab. I'll use it as an example. I'm going to click here on the router to open the application. And in this case I'll click here to connect to it. I'm here on that R2 that I clicked over there. Send all allows me to send the script to all devices that are connected. And if I click on Run now, for example, I can check the box here to always choose this application. And it has already opened the other one here. That was Run. No. R2. And here Run. This tab will come over here, connect, that's it. We have Run and R2. When I press send all, I can write the script here and enable, for example, in this first script. I add another script, I'll put a show IP route here. Then I can send this enable to all of them, so it's sent to both. I can come here on send all, script 2, the show IP, here it's sent, here it's sent. Let me finish up here. Okay. I'm going to load all the routers that are already in today's workspace. I'll load it to explain better. So here in today's workspace, I'll double click to maximize. Adjust here, double click here, alright. So here I already have all the routers. If I scroll the mouse wheel, I can see that each one has its own script, right? And if I click on it here, it links me to the corresponding router, right? So, alright? Now here on send all, since each one has its own script, I want to send. I created this new option here, where I send that script that's there, exclusive to each one, to each device. So each one will have its own script there, and that's what will be sent. Let me connect everyone first. Okay. Look there, they're all connected. On send all they're all selected, and I'll send each one's script to each one. I press here, and here we can see it's progressing. Each one sending its own. All of them working at the same time. And we'll see the adjacencies forming here. On script 1 there's already a summary here. On 2 also. On 3 there isn't yet, right? But now comes send all. So you saw there that if I click here, it will send what's there, the device's own script. If I want to send a global script, I can grab a global script here. I made several here. I can have multiple pre-made scripts, they're saved in the workspace, so I can have scripts for each workspace. For example, here I have a little tab for save. I can double click here and rename it, okay? So here I have a save tab and I'll send a save to all of them. If I press send here, you can see it's sent. Look, a save to all of them. So all of them have a save there. If I scroll here, the mouse wheel, I navigate through all of them and I see that all of them received a save. I can throw in an exit script here. It will end the session if I scroll between them here. I'll see the session ended on all of them here. Now I can, for example, send save to all of them again here. So it's sent to one, to another, so I can see here that it's sending to all of them. Okay. Now, for example, we have ready disable CDP run, so there it sent no CDP run to all of them. If I want to see the BGP summary here, for example, I can come here and send it to all of them. So here, if I navigate between them and pick router 3, I'll see here the BGP summary for them. If I pick 14 from 14, from 8, from 8, from 13, from 17. So I see all of them if I scroll here, the wheel. I cruise through all of them, right? Let's go neat and tidy here. So if I scroll here, I cruise through all of them. So that's it. Sendall keeps the scripts ready here. So whenever you write scripts here, or write in Sendall, come here and press save, so you don't lose what you did. And that's it. Another feature here, very practical, very nice, to be using in programming, in studying routers, and also in real-world cases. And the real-world case. Here I'm simulating an Eve, but it could be a real case. Here it's an image. I'm not depending on a browser, on anything. But if I go back to the browser and also click here in Eve on some router, on 18 for example, it already opens it on 18 here. Another thing I added here was to make it bring the window to the front, so you can see it just brings a notice. But if I'm here, it brings the window to the front. The problem is it loses some little configuration, but you don't have to keep pressing Alt-Tab to find the window. So that's it.